What's it up, guys? Sarfo Carbell once again, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to change the focus from the shutter button all the way to the back, so I don't have to press this one 2 times to focus first and the second one to shoot, but then I'll focus from the back of my camera, and then once I press this, it just shoots straight away. Yeah, this and many more coming up. So as of now, the focus is activated when I half press this button, and then once you can see the light beeping. That means it's now selecting focus. You see, I've only half pressed it a little, and now once I fully press it again, it now takes the picture. I don't want that. I want once I press it, it just takes the picture. It doesn't have to focus first before it gets the picture. And then I want to use this button right here, the AEFL, this one, for the focus activation. Are you okay? So two things here. First, I'll put the focus activation here, and then I'll take the focus activation from here, and then I'm done. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. So that's the whole idea about back focus. I'm going to go straight into my menu here, and I'm going to go all the way to my setup menu, and I'm going to go to my third page. This is the first page. This is the second page. I'm going to go down again to the third page, to the buttons. You see buttons here, and I click on the buttons, and then I'm going to go to AEAFL button here. Exactly. And I'm going to change it from AEAFL lock all the way to AFN on. That for the focus activation. So that is it. So now I have set it to this. If I should go and I should press, look at this. If I should press it, but still, once I press this, it's going to be focusing. This also still does the focusing, and I don't want that. Are you okay? You see it's focusing. Shutter also does this. This does this. Shutter also does. I don't want that. So I'm going to take away this focusing from the shutter. So I'm going to go straight to this place again. You can see shutter release button. I'm just going to change this one to off. That is it. So now the shutter button here no longer does the focusing. So once I press this, it just takes. It doesn't even focus. You see, once I just press, it just takes. It doesn't focus. But once I press this, it does the focusing for me. You can even see the light coming on here to show you that once I press the button here, it was focusing to get me the picture. So that's it. 2 steps. I gave the focus to here, took it away from here, and I've changed this whole thing to back focus. So now taking pictures, all I have to do is just make sure I have this set up like this. I press this to focus, and then I just tap this to shoot straight away. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking to the very end of this video. Please do want to smash the thumbs up button if you got the value, anything from this video. And please don't forget to check out my Instagram handle. It's in the link description below. You can check it out. Let's be friends. Like, I want some friends. You can follow me, and then who knows what we're going to learn from each other. And if there's anything you'd like to know as well, the kind of videos that you would like to see me make, anything that you'd like to make a tutorial about, let me just know in the comment section below. And there's any tip and trick you want to give to me, Charlie, I'm all yours. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be there, and I'll be there, and I'll be there. But how much I do, guys, I'm going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.